The SMIRLY Silverware Organizer is a must-have addition to any household that values organization and practicality. Crafted from durable bamboo wood, this kitchen drawer organizer is designed to efficiently store various hardware tools and utensils while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. One of the standout features of the SMIRLY Silverware Organizer is its lightweight and expandable design. The natural bamboo wood material not only gives the organizer a sleek and polished look, but also ensures its longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Measuring at 17.5 inches in depth, 20 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, this rectangular-shaped organizer provides ample space to neatly store your silverware and other kitchen essentials. The expandable feature allows you to adjust the size according to your drawer's dimensions, providing a customized storage solution, whether you are looking to declutter your kitchen space or simply want to keep your utensils organized.